Last year you had a wetsuit,
yeah.
I had the ear thingies.
We've got some experience now. Last year was the first one.
You just need the life jacket.
Are you going again, JP?
Yeah.
Can I go up?
Yeah, come on up. Yeah, you can have 4 people up here. I think it's fine. No, man, I appreciate it. I still get fucking butterflies. I still get butterflies on this bitch. This thing is no joke. All right, time for a gainer.
JP, what's going on over here?
We're about to do a gainer. I'm just making sure the 360 GoPro. We are on Grant Island's massive slide. We just did.
That's a long way down.
When you come into it, you literally drop straight down for like good 20 feet, maybe 15 feet, until you hit the transition.
And
if
then
you're not holding your neck is getting whipped back. So we're about to do this. Here we go.
All right, here he goes.
Woo! We hit some foam.